which I'm still happy to be here. I'm here to talk about thyme. It is a great herb with so many health benefits and so far. And I'm going to go over, I will say, not all of the benefits, but most of them because it just has so many health benefits and so far and everything. And, this is a time where we need to do whatever we can do to keep our health going, to keep our immune system up, give it a boost, whatever, and so forth, because there's so many things going on that we just need all the blessings from these herbs that we can get. So we're going to go ahead and start talking about thyme. Okay. Alrighty. Thyme is an herb. It has a distinct smell. One of the things is you can use thyme in so many different formulations. Not too many people actually use thyme as an herbal capsule, but you can. Tea is recommended. And also you can do a thyme herbal oil. The thyme herbal oil helps you with all kinds of skin issues and things like that. And we'll get to that part as well about what thyme can do for the skin surface and so forth. It does contain chemical that helps with bacteria and fungi. So we'll get to that in a minute. But let's go ahead and talk about what thyme actually do to help benefits that we can go ahead and get, consume for those health benefits and so forth. It helps treat respiratory and so forth, and that is a common issue with a lot of people and so forth, having respiratory issues for all kinds of reason. Sometimes it has to do with smoking. Sometimes it has to do with allergies. Sometimes it has to do with other things and so forth, things like that. And I'm sorry about this video because the sun is in and out and so far, and all that. Also, thyme has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory, so it does help you with those joint pains and things as well. Um, Thyme also help lower blood pressure. That is great because high blood pressure is definitely a common issue amongst American people and so forth. It is definite. And a lot of people are taking medications for that high blood pressure. And not to say that if you have hypertension or you're starting to have high blood pressure that you shouldn't go to the doctor to do it. But what I would do is I will also try to find an herbal medicine that will help you with your high blood pressure naturally before you go onto these medications. And I'll say this for two reasons. Okay, first of all, when you take in high blood pressure medicine, it usually causes other ailments and so forth. One of the ailments that they do call that we know for a fact is ED. And it does cause other ailments and things like that. So, not to say that you shouldn't go to the doctor again, but if you want help in treating your high blood pressure, I would start out naturally, especially if you have just hypertension. Is something that you can actually do for yourself. Lower your sodium intake for one. Thyme will be a good thing to use daily. Drink your couple hot thyme tea. That will help you with your high blood pressure, lowering your high blood pressure naturally, so that taking other high blood pressure medicine and so forth cause other issues and so forth. And they have so many different types of high blood pressure medicine and so forth and things like that. So you may even have to go through several different high blood pressure medicines in order to find the right medicine for yourself. And that's another thing and so forth. So if you can do something naturally, it's best to try to do it naturally and so forth and all that. Okay. It help protects the heart and so forth. And that is another thing that is also common in today. And so far, people with congenital heart, failure, enlarged heart, irregular heartbeats and so forth. These things are quite common and everything, and they definitely need to be attended to and so forth and things like that. And I am one person who would not ever say don't go to the doctor for any of these things, because these things are very, very, very serious. And so for high blood pressure, anything related to the heart, lungs, liver, and all this and that so far. But I'm also saying your health is your number one priority. So if you can get help and start treating yourself naturally and so far, go ahead and start doing so. Help yourself, okay? Also, signs treat anemic. I remember I was a little anemic myself when I was younger and all that. I still might be a little anemic now. I don't really know because I have not had that checked, in a while and things like that. But these things happen and so far, so that, that is one of the things too. It also improved the digestive system, and I know we can all stand up on that note and so forth. That is a very, very, very common issue to have digestive issues and so forth and everything, which is the IBD, IBC, IB, that's interrectal bowel syndrome, IBS, IBSC, IBSD, and things like that, and other digestive and gut issues and things like that you have and so forth. So that again is very, very, very common in this country here to have those issues. Okay, bone health. Now I don't personally get a lot of people in to talk about bone health and so forth, things like that. Of course, if you do have bone issues and so forth, you will seek an orthopedic doctor who deals with bones and things like that. But also too, if you have or been diagnosed with bone issues and so forth, you may want to help, get on a herb that's going to help strengthen the bones and things like that and all that, because really that is not that is also a common issue as well. So that is not an uncommon issue to have bone issues and so forth and things like that. We do have all kinds of health issues in this country and so far, and all that. Also too, weight, having obesity or having a lot of weight on us and so forth is actually a medical issue as well. Or it can be a medical issue and so forth. And so forth, being overweight and so forth could cause other health problems and all that, which it usually do. And that is definitely not uncommon in this country. This is another common issue in this country here, obesity and being overweight. So this thyme also help you with weight loss in a natural way and so forth. Of course, with walking, doing some exercise and things like that, eating a proper diet and all this contributes to healthy you and healthy weight loss. Okay. It also protects oral health, improves vision, and these are also very common issues in this country as well. Poor vision. I do wear glasses myself. I don't wear them as much as I should, but I do wear glasses and so forth. And this stems from childhood and all that. And also too, as we see now, there is a lot of oral illness or issues in this country as well and so forth, with gum loss. When you have gum loss, you're going to have tooth loss, whichever, and so forth, teeth loss. You're going to lose some teeth, put it that way, if you have gum loss. Then you have all kinds of gum diseases and other issues with your mouth and things like that. So if you can get a jump on these things by, taking an herb that can help you with this thing, help, strengthen your gums, help your oral, even breath and so forth, gingivitis and things like that. and so forth. Why wouldn't you do so and all that? So this is a very, very powerful herb, and they do have a couple other things listed that I did not write down and so far. And this will be a great time if you have any of these issues that I mentioned and so far, to go ahead and do your research on thyme and so forth, and go ahead and start drinking those herbal teas and all that to help yourself. Um, Always seek a herbalist or healthcare provider, because if you are on a traditional or diagnosed or traditional medicine from your doctor who had diagnosed you with any of these symptoms and so forth, you want to see, if there's going to be any interactions against the two medicines with thyme, because thyme is a herb. It is a powerful herb, and you don't want to maybe take thyme with certain traditional medicines and so forth. And that's the reason why you're going to seek a herbalist or healthcare provider, because they're going to help you with that and so forth. To get, so even if they don't recommend thyme, there may be another herb that they can recommend that's going to be safe for you to take to help build your health up and so forth through herbal medicine as well as your traditional medicine so far. So now, so let's go ahead and hit on the oils and so forth. Thyme is a great oil for skin diseases because of that chemical in there to get rid of the bacteria and the fungi. The chemical in there eats away at that and help it heal by using thyme oil. It also has antioxidant and it's anti-inflammatory as well. So it is a good oil to have, as it is a good tea to drink and so far. So it covers your body outside and in the inside and so far. So let's just go quickly over these, recap these symptoms and so forth that thyme will help you and so forth. And again, make sure you do your research and so forth and check that out. Always, if you are taking traditional medicine, always look it up. If you don't decide to see a herbalist or healthcare provider, look it up yourself just to make sure that you are not, taking a herbal medicine that is going to cause any side effects and so far with the traditional herb that you are taking. Okay, so right off, thyme has a respiratory issue, which again we are very common. It has anti-inflammatory, and that helps with joint pain, inflammation, and things like that. It lowers blood pressure. It also protects the heart. It also treats anemic. And if you don't know what anemic is, it is somebody who has actually low blood pressure and so forth, among some other things. It improves the digestive system, which I can attest to. It improves bone health, aid in weight loss, protects oral health, and improves vision. So these are some of the things that are the bullet points that thyme can really, really help you on. So if you have any of these things, drinking a couple thyme herbal teas can help improve these things. And even if you don't drink a couple of teas a day, at least drink at least 1 cup of thyme tea a day to see if that will not help improve your symptoms or help improve your health and so forth. Because that's what it's all about and so forth. It is not about aging. It is about being healthy as we age. So when you think about that and so forth, so let's just keep the number and age out of it and so forth. It is about being healthy at any age. So at any time that you can get something that's going to help you and make your life better and so forth, then I would try it and all that. And if you talk to your doctor about it and so forth, a lot of doctors will disagree with you trying herbal medicine and things like that and so forth, which is their right to do so and everything. But you got to remember, your health is the number one priority. If you start to take something and then you have some kind of reaction on it and so forth, then you know to not take it and so forth. And I've seen people and talked to people who have experienced bad side effects from traditional medicine as well. And so far, who has to go back to their doctor and say, hey, this is not working, this is causing this is causing that, and so forth. And that's the reason why I'm on here with this herbal knowledge, is to help push out the natural way to start doing something, as opposed to going to the doctor, taking these harsh, horrible hard capsules and things like that. And I don't mean to really, put down traditional medicine and so forth. I just think that, doing things in the natural way would not cause so many side effects and things like that. So this is Eunice with your Thursday herbal knowledge. I hope that you will try Thyme herbal tea. I know I'm going to do Thyme herbal tea and so forth, because I do have vision issues. I say, like I was saying, since I was a young child, I still wear glasses today and all that. So anyway, until next time, I will see you on Wednesday or Thursday of next week with your herbal knowledge. Bye.